Well, it's my birthday today, so I think I'll take you with me. I'm just gonna go out and do a quick couple of flights with the quadcopters. Check this out. My wife gave me this for the new shop that I've been working on, so pretty cool. Kind of a neat little vintage looking sign. Thank her very much for that. I'm gonna take these quads out, and these ones right here. This is the new Blue Falcon that we just built a couple months ago. I've just maidened it in the backyard, but I've never got it out to fly, so just noticed the camera is loose, so I gotta fix that. And then the old X215 Pro is a standby. Let's take them out, give them a flight. Well, that was perfect. That was a great way to spend some time on my birthday. Now I'm to chill out, have a little bit of a pint. I'm no expert with the FPV flying yet. Got a ways to go, actually. My old fixed wing habits still keep coming back. Let's fix this camera. There we go. So I'm by no means a great pilot, but it's fun to get out. I only get out a few times a year. I build those quads and I fly them once or twice, and I get just as much enjoyment out of that. I don't need to go out every day, so hope you guys enjoyed. It's good to go hang out with the model club guys. I pay my yearly dues, but I never see them, and I pay my yearly Mac membership, and I hardly ever fly, so good excuse. Birthday. Cheers, guys. Have a great day.